Hi there, welcome to my channel. My name is Funny and thank you for tuning this channel. I have created this channels to help people to power their lives and add value so that everyone discover their true potential. It's my genuine effort to enhance the lives of people who truly wanted to discover themselves in this new digital era. So here I'm going to release a series of videos of website building, how you can build your website by yourself. If you are a non-techie guy, then also you will be able to build your own website. In this website building course, you will be learning how you can get domain name, personalized domain, like the way you can see this is google.com और .in, जो भी domain name है उसको आप कैसे ले सकते हैं और कहाँ पर आप उसको host करवाएंगे, how you can buy your hosting, which hosting option you have to choose, how to get hosting and what is WordPress क्या है, how you can build your website with the help of WordPress, because WordPress is a popular content management system CMS, how you can configure your website with the help of WordPress, how to install WordPress manually, and how to design your very first website, how to build your own page. If you have products of your business or whatever products you are selling, how to create an e-commerce site, how to integrate your payment gateway so that seamlessly your customer, your visitors will buy products from your website, and how to design your website perfectly with the latest design technology or latest designs, and how you can secure your website with the help of different plugins. End of this course you will be able to get to know that how you can track after creating your website, how you will be able to track your visitors, how many visitors has visited your website with the help of Google Analytics. I will be using both language English and Hindi because जो भी इस प्लेटफॉर्म पे आएंगे तो उन लोगों को ये भी देखना जरूरी है कि उन लोगों का लैंग्वेज कौन सा प्रोफिशिएंसी है. So I'll be using the both language so that everyone can watch and everyone can understand the language. So one more thing I would like to tell here that it will be a complete website building course. Here you will be know each and everything from the scratch. As I told you, day one only you will be getting each and everything inside. One more thing I would like to tell here that the way I'll do, that way only you need to do, then only you will be able to build your own website. अगर आप मेरे साथ ही करते जाएंगे, मैं जैसे दिखाता जाऊंगा वैसे ही आप अगर करेंगे, then definitely आप अपना एक वेबसाइट एंड ऑफ दिस कोर्स आप क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. यहाँ पर मैं मिनिमम रिसोर्स यूज करूंगा, सारे फ्री रिसोर्स यूज करके एक वेबसाइट बना करके आपको दिखाऊंगा. आप उसी तरीके से एक सीखने के लिए उसी तरीके से आप अपना वेबसाइट बना सकते हैं. वैसे तो आपको बहुत सारे तरीके मिल जाएंगे वेबसाइट बनाने के. आप सिंपली अगर गूगल में टाइप कर देंगे वेबसाइट बिल्डिंग तो आपको बहुत सारे रिजल्ट मिल जाएंगे. जैसे कि पहले ही में ही आ जाता है जो कि ऐड है, ये एडवर्टाइजमेंट है wix.com. wix.com आपको अलाउ करता है कि फ्री में आप वेबसाइट बिल्ड करें, लेकिन उसके बहुत सारे लिमिटेशंस होते हैं. आप एक बार उसमें अपना अकाउंट बना करके जरूर देखें और आपको पता लगेगा कि किस तरीके के लिमिटेशंस वहाँ पर होते हैं. सो यू हैव टू चूज केयरफुली whenever you are building your own website. If you are building your own website for your business person, then definitely you need to go the manual way, जो कि मैं इस सीरीज ऑफ वेबसाइट बिल्डिंग कोर्स में आपको दिखाने वाला हूँ. देन डोंट फॉरगेट टू चेक ईच एंड एवरी वीडियो so that you will get an almost all idea that from the starting from getting a domain till the time you will design your own website. So stay tuned and subscribe to my channel so that you will get every notification. Or if you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to share with your family and friends.